Hello everyone and welcome back to the AppJobs channel where we talk about all the ways you can make money with apps. Today we're talking about Postmates, but before we go through that, you know the deal. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also to click on the little bell next to it to activate notifications so you'll always know when we have a new video up. And after you've done that, we're good to go. Today we're going through a couple of tips we found on the internet to help you maximize your income with Postmates, one of the biggest delivery platforms out there right now. It basically connects business and couriers to deliver goods. Just so you know how big it is, Postmates does 1 million deliveries per month in the US. So yeah, pretty big. Now onto some tips on how you can make more money with them if you're delivering with Postmates. The first and the most important tip is to go to the orders that are in locations close to you. You don't earn money for the moment that you have to pick up the food. The delivery fee only starts by the time you pick up the food in the restaurant and when you drop it off. So keep that in mind. Connected to that, we found a tip on Reddit that says that it is better to go to the restaurants that don't take too long to make the food. You only make 10 cents per minute while you're waiting, so if you have to wait more than 10 minutes, it's really not worth it. Another tip we found on Reddit also says that skips don't count against you. So make sure to use your skips very smart so you can make more money. Also remember that customers are promised a 1 hour delivery. And most of this part is taken by preparing the food at the restaurant. So you're basically just gonna do the last bit of this process, which is to pick up the food and drop it off. So the tip here is to deliver multiple orders at once. So stack up those deliveries so instead of being waiting, you can actually make more money. And the last tip is to consider auto accept, which automatically add new deliveries to your route on the background of your app. It accomplishes this by identifying the drop-off place where you're gonna be and putting an order in line to the nearest pickup area close to you. But make sure to use it when we have a lot of hot spots next to you, so this way you're gonna get more deliveries in less time. And a bonus tip we found out there to get those tips really high is to add the little extra item or a bottle of water to the items that you're delivering. This way people are gonna be happy and they basically have to give you a higher tip, right? And that's pretty much it for our tips and tricks here for Postmates. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment down there telling if you liked this video and if these tips were helpful. And don't forget to check the description box for more information and links. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!